So let's take a look at hint 2 to figure out how we're going to solve this secret code. They gave us a bunch of dots, dots that are colored in, dots that are blank, and it looks like they gave us a code here, a decoder, and it has letters that correspond with each series of dots. So let's take a look. Each letter in the decoder key has how many columns with different dots to make each letter. So let's take a look here. This letter A looks like it has 2 columns. B the same. I go across. It appears as though each letter has 2 columns and different dots are shaded in within each column to represent the different letters. So now let's take a look here. It's 2 columns. Each space in the code represents a new word. So each space here, 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 it's just like our regular words. Each space represents a new word. So let's count how many words there are going to be. I'll let you give that a count really quickly. 16 words. Now last question. The first word up here, it appears as though there are 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know that that's going to mean there are 2 letters because each letter has 2 columns. So let's take a look at that first one. It has a dot in the second one and a dot on the top. Where does it? No, dot second, but not on top. Dot second and top, but it also has this one, so it doesn't count. Oh, it looks like this one has a dot and a dot. Let's check. Yep, it looks like the first letter is going to be I. The next 2 columns have the bottom 2 shaded in and the top 2 shaded in. So let's take a look here really quickly again. I don't see bottom 2, bottom 2, bottom 2, no, bottom 2, no, bottom 2. Well, the bottom 2 are here, but the top 2 are not shaded here. Bottom 2, no, bottom 2, oh, bottom 2 here, but again, the top 2 aren't shaded here. The bottom 2 are here and the top 2 are here, but this is also shaded in, so that doesn't match that letter again. Let's keep looking. Bottom 2, oh, but not the top. Bottom 2, oh, but not the top 2. Look here. Looks like the bottom 2 and the top 2 match this right here where these 2 letters are. Let's take a look. Oh, so it looks like this first word is it. Now let's see if you can figure out the rest.